Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 31st, 2024. I'm on, excuse me, I'm on the new property now, taking Optimus Maximus. This is a Kubota Grand L6060. I've got a land plane on the back of a 3-point hitch on this tractor. And we got a rainstorm coming. We're going to get a little bit of sprinkles this morning here, but in about an hour or so, it looks like we're going to get a fair amount of rain. And I had deposited, put a top layer of soil here on the roadway here, but it really undulates from me using the track loader, the Takushi TL12V2 track loader, the Hulk. So there's the pond over there, last year's pond that I've been working on. And I'm just going to see if this will, see this ground, this material is so soft, I might just sink in. It's still pretty wet, so we'll see here. Put her down into 4-wheel, medium speed. I'll drop the land plane down some. Still seems a bit too moist. We'll get up here, turn around, and I'll see if I can adjust the camera so that it'll, instead of being on my neck here, there's the pile of topsoil that I brought over from the pond, and some of it was from here last year. See if I can turn the camera around here and make this work. Let's see if this works. Yeah, this is pretty darn wet stuff here. All clumping together. Shake some of that off.
When the land needs leveling and the dirt's piled high, Optimus Maximus and the land plane reach the sky with a 3-point hitch and weight set just right. We're smoothing out the surface, making everything tight. Oh, the land plane's got the power, it's a grating delight, turning rough terrain to smooth. It's a sight to excite. From roads to fields, it's the tool we adore. Moving dirt with precision, making surfaces more. On a short road we've built, where the pond's earth lies, the land plane's cutting edge clears out the highs. With Optimus Maximus driving strong and true, we're shaping up the surface, making it brand new. Oh, the land plane's got the power, it's a grating delight, turning rough terrain to smooth, it's a sight to excite. From roads to fields, it's the tool we adore. Moving dirt with precision, making surfaces more. For small amounts of dirt, it's the perfect choice. Leveling the surface, giving it a voice. From garden beds to driveways, it works like a dream, creating smooth surface, making the land gleam. Oh, the land plane's got the power, it's a grating delight, turning rough terrain to smooth, it's a sight to excite. From roads to fields, it's the tool we adore. Moving dirt with precision, making surfaces more. So here's to the land plane and Optimus too, making our work easier with each job we do. From leveling to grading, it's the tool we trust, turning rough and rugged into a surface that's just. Oh, the land needs leveling, and the dirt's piled high. Optimus Maximus and the land plane reach the sky, with a 3-point hitch and blade set just right. We're shaping up the surface, making it brand new. Oh, the land plane's got the power, it's a grating delight, turning rough terrain to smooth, it's a sight to excite. From roads to fields, it's the tool we adore. Moving dirt with precision, making surfaces more. For small amounts of dirt, it's the perfect choice. Leveling the surface, giving it a voice.
Out in the fields, where the work gets done, I got 2 mighty machines that are second to none. There's Mini-Me, compact but strong, and Optimus Maximus, where the power belongs. Oh, I love my tractors, they're my pride and joy. Mini-Me's the little one, Optimus is the big old boy. From dawn till dusk, they're with me all the way. In the fields, on the farm, they make my day. Mini-Me's nimble, can turn on a dime. In the tightest spots, it's always on time. For the smaller tasks, it's the one I choose. The Mini-Me by my side, there's no way to lose. Oh, I love my tractors, they're my pride and joy. Mini-Me's the little one, Optimus is the big old boy. From dawn till dusk, they're with me all the way. In the fields, on the farm, they make my day. Optimus Maximus, the Grand L6060 machine. With power and might, it rules the scene. For the heavy lifting, it's my go-to ride. With Optimus on the job, there's nothing to hide. Oh, I love my tractors, they're my pride and joy. Mini-Me's the little one, Optimus is the big old boy. From dawn till dusk, they're with me all the way. In the fields, on the farm, they make my day. Together they work like a well-oiled team. In every project, they're part of the dream. Whether big or small, they've got the job done. With Mini-Me and Optimus, the work is always fun. Oh, I love my tractors, they're my pride and joy. Many me's the little one, Optimus is the big old boy. From dawn till dusk, they're with me all the way. In the fields, on the farm, they make my day. So here's to my tractors, my steadfast crew. With Mini Me and Optimus, there's nothing we can't do. In the heart of the farm, they are my trusty pair. With them by my side, I've got not a care.
So that did do a pretty good job. It got some of the big mounds out, and I was able to drag some of the material. Let me just back up here a little bit. So I was able to drag some material down into this area over here, which worked out pretty well. Pretty happy with this. It's way, that's too wet, and it's way too wet over there on the other side of the pond where I was working there yesterday. And there's plenty of big rocks all over down in here, which I got to pick up first. But I was able to get over here before the big rain. And this whole area I need a soil conditioner to work on. Which I do not have yet. And I'm pretty happy considering how wet this material is up here. That it's smoothed out some of the undulations from me driving back and forth with the Hulk. And I left a little bit of the soil here to fill in any voids, but that comes another time. So that's it, using the land plane with the Optimus Maximus, the Grand L6060. I will resurface this whole road here using the land plane in the future. This is the same material as I just spread out on the roadway there, the first part that I did do. But I don't plan on doing that soon. It's got to be nice and dry, and this is real bony as well. So that's it for today's video, folks. Thanks so much for watching. And that is the land plane 3-point hitch, working with some pretty moist material. Thanks so much, and take care. Bye-bye now.